the NFL alumni. Call or click today. That's 1-877-ALUM-NFL. Or go to our website, www.NFLalumniassociation.com.
Hi, I'm Ron George, Managing Director of the NFL Alumni Association. I'm you. I'm a retired football player. I'm a member of the Alumni Association, and I'm here to serve you. I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself so that you understand where I'm coming from, so that you understand the passion that I bring to this job every day, why this really matters to me. And it's more than just me being a retired player. This is what my life focus has really come to be. As I look back, I realize that it all led up to now. I went to school at Stanford and had the great fortune to play football there. I was drafted by the Atlanta Falcons and went on to have an 8-year football career. But my life didn't end when my football career ended. In many ways, that's when it really began. One of the great things about playing the National Football League are all the doors it opens for us. I'm a product of player development. During my NFL career, I did internships almost every offseason. And when I retired, I was fortunate enough to be invited back into the National Football League as a player development director. Being a player development director was an incredible experience because I worked every day to put together programs, to offer services that help guys and their families. And that's what I want to do now. My job is you. In 1967, a group of courageous players got together and formed the NFL Alumni Association with one mission in mind: to serve retired football players. Now, over the course of time, our mission has changed, but today we are rededicated to you. We want to serve you. I want to know what's going on in your life, with your family, with your children. We want to put together impactful programs and services that bring value to your life. Come to our website, NFLalumniassociation.com. There you'll find all kinds of information that affects your life. You'll also find contact information for us. I want to hear from you. Please email me at ronald.george@NFLalumniassociation.com. What you say matters. From all of us here at the NFL Alumni Association, thanks. We look forward to hearing from you soon.